Hi everyone! Ito nga pala yung aming authorized dealership na matatagpuan dito sa Jose Abad Santos, Tondo, Manila. Dito po natin inire-release yung mga successful client na na-approve. Ngayon po ay pakikita po natin sa video ang ating release ngayon na Montero GLS Automatic.
Hi everyone, this is Melanie Ligmuan Buenavista, your sales agent here in Mitsubishi Picabad Santos, Tondo, Manila.
The all-new Montero Dynamic Shield Design Diesel Engine 2.4 liter Maybach 8-speed automatic. The LED daytime running light, the LED headlamps, and LED fog lamps. 18 inches two-tone alloy wheels. The Montero GLS Automatic equipped engine push start system, keyless operation system, electronic parking, brake auto hold, smart link display audio, 8-inch LCD meter cluster display, emergency stop signal, anti-lock braking system. Client signing of documents na po, and then papacheck na po natin sa Pinas para ma-release na po natin yung unit nila. So for checking of documents na ni Pinas yung documents ni client, so hihintayin na lang po natin na ma-check ni Pinas, and then okay to release na po. Then i-release na po yung unit.
Sana all, sana all, sana all.